Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to draw a crash in Photoshop. So when you open, create new here, select size whatever you want, create. So after that, double click on it, okay, double click again. So I want it gradient here, color that this is what I want, select on this, here, color here, yeah. And this is already black, red, okay, okay. So lock this one. Create new layer here on the right side. Select pen here and create land. Yeah, yeah. Select here solid color. I want it to be black. Yeah. If not going up, right click, lit path. Yeah. So now it's time to grow to draw grass. So add more layer here. Click on pen. Yeah. You draw whatever you want. Yeah. Just click. And like this. Sorry. This. 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 This one. Yeah. And go to here. Solid black. So it's become black now. So move it here. Oh, I don't wanna this. Click on it, right click, delete path. No, this one. I don't want it up here. So click on it, right click, delete path. Make it small. Yeah, and duplicate the layer. You can flip horizontal, yeah, whatever you want. So the grass is growing, yeah. And duplicate again. Duplicate again. And this. Control T, flip horizontal. I want it to be like this, not the same. Flip, duplicate again. Where's duplicate? Yeah, yeah. Duplicate again. Something like this. Still more. Duplicate one more. Duplicate one more. Okay, that's this the grass will look like. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.